This video wants to demonstrate how to use best the new diamond fine grinding disc SQUADRO-G. SQUADRO-G is available with self-adhesive film on the backing, which allows quick and easy mounting on Teflon coated supports or similar. Simply take care to avoid air bubbles under the pad. Use a roller to apply SQUADRO-G in one direction. For double-sided lapping machines, the SQUADRO-G discs need to be dressed to achieve flatness and parallelism to the upper SQUADRO-G disc. Such initial dressing needs to be done when the pad is used and mounted for the first time. The geometry got worse after many runs, or in case it got clogged during the application. Standard alumina dressing tools may be used for such dressing operations. This dressing preferably is done with slow blade speeds of less than 1 meter per second and low weights like 30 to 50 Newton. Otherwise, only standard cleaning with water and soap and subsequent brushing is required. The achieved planarity shall be checked by a measuring staff. If the deviation of the planarity is less than 5 to 10 micron, the fine grinding process may be started. After loading the machine with carrier rings and workpieces, all parts shall be wetted with the dedicated lubricant SQUADRO-G. Because no additional abrasive suspension is needed, the process is economic and clean. The individual performance level may be adjusted by the choice of the diamond particle size of SQUADRO-G. The hardness of SQUADRO-G enables excellent workpiece geometry and flatness without rolled edges.